156 to 215.80 Checkpoint Certified Security Administrator R80 CCSA. Practice exam. 1. What is the primary role of a security administrator in a checkpoint environment? A. To install and configure security gateways. B. To manage and monitor checkpoint security solutions. C. To design the network architecture. D. To create firewall hardware. Answer. B. To manage and monitor checkpoint security solutions. Explanation. The primary role of a security administrator in a checkpoint environment is to manage and monitor checkpoint security solutions to ensure the network's integrity and security. 2. Which checkpoint product is responsible for enforcing firewall policies and handling VPN traffic? A. Security Management Server, SMS. B. Smart Dashboard. C. Security Gateway. D. Multi-Domain Security Management, MDSM. Answer. C. Security Gateway. Explanation. The Security Gateway is responsible for enforcing firewall policies and managing VPN traffic within a checkpoint environment. 3. What does Cluster XL provide in a checkpoint deployment? A. Increased network throughput. B. High availability and load balancing. C. Enhanced encryption for VPN traffic. D. Multi-domain security management. Answer. B. High availability and load balancing. Explanation. Cluster XL is used to ensure high availability and load balancing for checkpoint security gateways, ensuring uninterrupted service in case of hardware failures. 1/4. 4. Which tool in checkpoint is used to configure security rules, manage objects, and monitor security devices? A. Smart Log. B. Smart Event. C. Smart Dashboard. D. Smart Tracker. Answer. C. Smart Dashboard. Explanation. Smart Dashboard is the tool used to configure security rules, manage objects, and monitor security devices in checkpoint environments. 5. What does the concept of identity awareness help secure in a checkpoint environment? A. Network interfaces. B. Application access based on user identity. C. Encryption for VPN connections. D. Security gateways. Answer. B. Application access based on user identity. Explanation. Identity awareness allows administrators to enforce security policies based on the identity of users, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access certain applications or network residential ORSes. 6. What does VPN stand for in the context of checkpoint security? A. Virtual Private Network. B. Verified Protected Network. C. Variable Protocol Network. D. Verified Public Network. Answer. A. Virtual Private Network. Explanation. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which allows for secure communication between remote locations and users over a public network, such as the Internet. 7. What is the purpose of threat emulation in checkpoint security? A. Preventing botnet activity. B. Encrypting VPN traffic. 2/4. C. Analyzing unknown files for malware. D. Blocking malicious websites. Answer. C. Analyzing unknown files for malware. Explanation. Threat emulation involves analyzing unknown files in a sandbox to detect and prevent malware from entering the network. 8. What is the role of a security management server, SMS, in checkpoint security architecture? A. To manage network traffic flow. B. To enforce security policies on the gateway. C. To centralize the management of security devices. D. To monitor user activity across the network. Answer. C. To centralize the management of security devices. Explanation. The Security Management Server, SMS, acts as the centralized management point for all checkpoint security devices, allowing administrators to configure and enforce security policies across the network. 9. What does the term state synchronization refer to in a checkpoint cluster XL deployment? A. Syncing policy databases between management servers. B. ensuring the consistent state of traffic flows between cluster members. C. Synchronizing user identities across security devices. D. Syncing encryption keys for VPN tunnels. Answer: B. Ensuring the consistent state of traffic flows between cluster members. Explanation: state synchronization ensures that the state of network connections is consistently synchronized across cluster XL members, allowing for seamless failover and continuity during disruptions. 10. Which checkpoint tool allows administrators to monitor security events and filter logs? For traffic analysis? A. Smart View Tracker. B. Smart Event. C. Smart Log. D. Smart Dashboard. 3/4. Answer: Smart View Tracker. Explanation: Smart View Tracker is the tool used to monitor security events and filter logs for traffic analysis in checkpoint environments. 11. What is the main function of a checkpoint smart dashboard? A. To manage multiple domains. B. To configure and manage security policies. C. To perform log analysis. D. To configure network interfaces. Answer: B. To configure and manage security policies. Explanation: Smart Dashboard is used for creating, configuring, and managing security policies, including defining rules for traffic flow and access. 12. In checkpoint security architecture, what is the role of the security gateway? A. To manage security logs. B. To define security policies. C. To control traffic flow and enforce security policies. D. To monitor network performance. Answer: C. To control traffic flow and enforce security policies. Explanation: the security gateway is responsible for controlling traffic flow and enforcing security policies, ensuring the network's protection. 13. Which checkpoint solution is used for preventing malware and controlling botnet activity? A. Application control. B. URL filtering. C. Antibot. D. IPS, intrusion prevention system. Answer: C. Antibot. Explanation: Antibot is designed to detect and prevent botnet activity by monitoring for command and control traffic and other malicious behaviors. Powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org/4.